hiccups. What should I do? Hiccups are nothing but strong contractions of a muscle called diaphragm, which separates the chest from the abdomen. Overfeeding is the commonest cause of hiccups. To prevent this, instead of feeding your baby fully, you can feed up to half or 3/4 of the capacity frequently. For example, instead of feeding your child up to its full stomach every 3 hourly, you can probably give half to 3/4 of the feeds every 1.5 to 2 hours. This will help in reducing the number of hiccups. Second, if you are formula feeding your child, it is important that the baby does not gulp in air. Be sure that when you bend the bottle, it is tilted at 45 degrees to the baby. Make sure the nipple is filled with milk or water and the air is displaced to the bottom of the bottle. Third, if your baby has frequent reflux, it can also